second.
It's in second.
It's in second. Why do everything in second?
I like to ride this thing sitting down. Where's my course? Up around there and back through.
Yeah, do it, bud. Oh, you want to go fast, big bird. Then walk off to there, up into those trees.
Yeah. I'll save that one.
We'll get that. Wait till the camera's over there, though. We got to get him on a trials bike, you know. He's pretty good.
Oh yeah.
He's a BMX guy.
Yeah.
So he's
They transfer real easy.
yeah, he's got the
balance and the chops.
Not me, I'm an ATV person.
Yeah.
Trailer behind it.
Here. You interested?
That's all old sections in there, but it's kind of
Yeah.
flooded out now. We gotta fix the mud bridge here. We gotta throw some more logs in there. It's standing all the time.
He gets into trouble, but he doesn't stall it. Because they're not easy to start. Hey, easy on my new tire!
yeah.
That is a new tire.
Yeah, he's good.
Should have turned the gas off.
No. Tired
That's
yet?
fine. It feels the forearms. The forearms are.
Yeah. And the wrists. Yeah, hit that.
It's mostly the forearms I feel it.
Yeah.
Oh, that feels so good though.
You should